Hello everyone. We're going to talk about the metronome today, and I've got a guest here. Look who's here. It's Scruffers. We're glad you could be here with us. Are you ready to learn about the metronome? All right. Well, in music there are beats. And as a matter of fact, we have a special metronome here. This is what this is called, metronome. And you turn it on, and right now it's at 72. So that's 72 beats per minute. See, you can feel the beat there. Nice walking speed. And we can make it go faster. We turn it off, it's only ready. Scruffy. Or slow it way down. Put you to sleep, right? So yeah, that's a really cool tool to use when you're a musician. So, and you might say, well, I don't understand anything about beats, but if you put your hand over your heart, you can feel the pounding of your heart, and it tells you that you're alive, right? And you feel that beat. Or you can even put your two fingers behind your ear. Put it under your ear. Oh, you can feel boom, 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 boom. And that gives you the beat. And that's what we use for our music. For each note has a specific amount of beats. Did you know that, Scruffy?
No.
I bet you didn't know that. So right now we're going to learn about that. And if your teacher could pass out some paper, we could write with our pencil and write different kinds of notes. So right now we're going to learn about the half note. So the half note, you take your pencil and you make a big circle like that, right? And then you draw a stem, a line that connects it from the top. And this is called a half note. Say half note. Half note. Okay, so that is 2 beats. We're talking about beats. So you can put a big 2 like that right there. And so what we're going to do is we're going to tap our toe. Our foot's going to go down, up, down, up. And that's, we're going to sing la. So you ready? 1, 2, ready, sing. La. You can howl if you want. I don't. So those are the beats, and that's how you would sing that note. Okay? And so if we want to add a dot, we would add a dot right here. Yeah? And that adds half the value of 2. So what's half of 2, Scruffy? No, it's not 3. What's half of 2? Come on. Okay, it is 1. So if you have 1, right, plus 2 equals what, everyone? Let's hear it. 3. Good job. Okay, so that's a dotted half. So we would sing for 3 beats. Let's try that one. 1, 2, 3. La. Beautiful. One more time. 1, 2, ready, sing. La. Yes. Is that 2 beats? Now it's going to be, right? It was 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. So you should put a 3 there now. Okay? Here. Big 3. Right? Okay. Thank you, Scruffy, for helping. Now here's the fun part. If we get rid of the dot and we get rid of the stem, then we have a new note. It looks like a hole, a circle. So this is a really long note. How many beats do you think that one counts for? 1? No. 5? No. Try again, one more time. 4. That's right. It counts as 4 beats. So we're going to sing that one. Are you ready? 1, 2, ready, sing. La. Good. One more time. La. Good job. So I want you to take your pencil. When you make a circle, you'll put a 4 in there. Okay? Now I'm going to do a little bonus one that I was going to teach you about. But first, I'm going to teach you another one. This one, you're going to fill it in. Fill in the circle. And then add a stem. This one's called a quarter note. Everybody say quarter note? Quarter note. And a quarter note counts as, what do you think? 10? No. It's not 4, not 3, not 2. What do you think it is? 1. That's right. 1 beat. So we're going to sing 1, 2, ready, go. And we'll go la. Ready? 1, 2, ready, sing la. Real quick, right? 1, 2, ready, sing la. Good. So once you've got that written on your piece of paper, you're going to make a big 1 on there for quarter note. Okay? Now, my favorite note. I got a favorite note. You put a flag on it. I love flags. Flags are fun. So we add a flag and it makes it really fast. This flag makes it half as much. So I know it's confusing, right? So instead of 1, it's half of 1. Do you know what that is? Well, let me help you out with that one. Okay, so if I have a candy bar and I want to share it with you, Scruffy, so I give you half my candy bar. How much is left for me if you haven't eaten it all? Half, that's correct. 1 half for you and 1 half for me. So this is 1 half. Okay, so you can make 1 half with your pencil, 1 half. Okay, so it's a real quick note. Okay, so when we sing, your foot just barely has time to hit the ground and you're done. Okay, 1, 2, ready, sing, la. Again, 1, 2, ready, sing, la. I love that note. That is a fun one. Okay, so we got all the notes that we've learned. We learned the whole note, which was 4 beats, the dotted half, which was 3, the half note, which is 2, the quarter note, which is 1, and the 8th note, which is 1 half. Now we're going to learn something special. Yeah, it's rests. So we're going to do some rests. We're going to erase this, and we're going to put a special rest, and it looks like an upside down hat. Do you see that? Kind of an upside down hat. This is filled in, all right? And this is called a whole rest. Now, if a whole note is 4 beats, how many beats of rest would this symbol be? 1? No. 2? No. 3? No. 4, that's right, 4 beats of rest. So if I was going to direct you to sing, I would go 1, 2, ready, sing, and you go, for 4 beats you wouldn't sing. It would be a quiet time. It would give you a little rest, and a lot of times you need that with singing. Okay? Yes. So that's a 4. So take your pencil and write 4. So you made an upside down hat, filled in square there, and a 4. Okay? Now, here's a special thing. If I turn it upside down, and it's a right side up hat, it is a different symbol. It is now a half rest. So if a whole rest is 4 beats, what do you think a half rest would be, Scruffy? What do you think? Yep, it's 2 beats of rest, okay? So if it came time to sing, you go 1, 2, ready, sing. Oh, you wouldn't be singing those 2 beats, right? 2 beats of rest. All right, now, that's a half rest. Say half rest equals 2 beats of rest. Okay, good. Now we're going to do the last symbol, and that would be, it looks like a lightning bolt. It looks like this. Can you see that? That's called a quarter rest. Everybody say quarter rest? Quarter rest. And that is just 1 beat. Is it 1 beat of singing? No. It's 1 beat of rest, so it's no singing during that beat. So that's a quick one. So I go 1, 2, ready, rest, rest. Real quick. Not too long though, gotta wake up. Okay, so very good. I'm very proud of you for listening to all these special messages of notes and rests. And now I'm going to show you a special quiz. Oh, yes. All of these notes do live on a staff. I forgot to tell you about that. A staff lives on 5 lines. You want to count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines. And 4 spaces. So we count the spaces now. So you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 lines, 5 lines and 4 spaces. You got that? All right. Very special staff. And a lot of times in our music, you're going to see a Mrs. Trebleclef on there too. She lives on there. Okay, I'm so glad you reminded me about that. Okay, so are we ready to have a review? So this is called a staff. Everyone say staff. Staff. Notes live on a staff. Okay, and we've got a special review quiz that I will hopefully get to your teachers. If not, you can get a piece of paper and write these down. Then we're going to try and connect the right word to the right symbol. Okay, they're all mixed up here. So we're going to see how you do. You think you can do that, Scruffy? I think you can. I think you can. So I'll try to get those to your teachers, and I hope you have fun doing that. And remember, always to count. All right, we're glad you came. Say goodbye, everyone. Bye-bye.